Hello everyone. So today we will focus on how OTP come in our iOS device and it will be automatically filled in our OTP field. Okay. So let's quickly I show you uh, the UI part. Okay. So in that UI part, this is my OTP field section. In the bottom, whatever I have written in that OTP field, it will be shown over there. Okay, so you will take as a payload, so you will just send that payload to the API. Okay, and this is our like normal text message. If I come back to the code, yeah, let me show one more thing. In that, if I click, for example, if you come after like user enters your mobile number and then you just click on send OTP and then you just directly went to that page. Okay, so you just automatically show that input field means, or the keyboard, it should be automatically open. Okay, it is only closed once all the OTP user have entered. Okay, if I click removed anyone and I'll try to close that input field, it is not closing. Okay, so that is one of the feature. You can ignore that feature, you just ignore remove that feature also. Okay, it is not a big deal. Okay, so that all about the UI part. If I come to the code section, so in that OTP automatically field, I use this package. Okay, below React Native OTP input. You can use any other uh, package also, but this package is very good. Okay, I use this package in my lot of the in my previous 3 to 5 projects. Okay, so I feel that it is good, so I make a video for that uh, package. The package name is Twilo पता नहीं, but the packet name is this. Okay, and the OTP length is decide how much you want the input field. For example, if I write 4, so it will become 4. Okay, so if I copy and paste it over there, so you can see in line number 23 okay, so this package provide this one or these fields. So yeah, this is the fields. So they have some parameters. One was the style. Okay, which is for this one, and it automatically highlighted. Okay, I did not done anything. I use the dot in every input field for a better animation. Okay, you can use any other, or you can remove this placeholder character. Okay, and this is the color, this is the style, and that pin code decide how much length you want in your OTP. If I write 4, so it will become 4 OTP field. Okay, and this is our code. The code is what, which is I write over there. Okay, so code is this one, 111. Okay, on change of code means if I write cross that one, then on that time this handle code change function will be called. If I write something, then this handle function will be called. Okay, and that it will just call this one, it will take slice and then set it to the our code. See, okay, so this is the logical part. And autofocus on load, it means that whenever if I just come on that page, so automatically that keyboard automatically open, so that will be open via this parameter. This again the style part, placeholder, and the style part. This is a normal package. Okay, normal text input field, and this is also the normal text input field. So let's quickly demonstrate how it is working. So I'm just calling my backend team to send an OTP for me. Okay, Roshan, OTP भेजना. Please send a OTP. So yeah, backend team is sending a OTP. Just take a second. And yeah, in the iOS section, OTP will be OTP. Yeah, you can see in the keyboard. On the top of the keyboard, the OTP is showing. So in the iOS side, whenever I get the OTP, it is come on the top of the keyboard. So when I just click on that, it automatically fill. Okay, and the keyboard will be automatically hide. But this is the case for the iOS side, but in the case of Android side, we did not get OTP automatically on the keyboard. Okay, so they have different flow. I will explain how we can implement autofill automatically complete OTP in the next video. Okay, for now this much will be sufficient. If you face any issue, okay, if you want any other package, you will just pin me that package. I will try that one and explain, make a video for you, like how we can use that package. Okay, so thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video, which is for the Android one. Okay, thanks.